Welcome to 5 Minutes in Time. Let's get to it.
Time moves forward, but we go back. 5 minutes in time on the right track. Voices from history loud and clear. 5 minutes in time, the past is here.
My guest today has been called the greatest military mind who ever lived. He'd probably agree with that. Julius Caesar. Welcome.
The description is not inaccurate.
Let's start at the beginning. You came from a patrician family, noble blood, good name, but Rome was full of noble families. What made you different from all of them?
The difference was will. Rome had many noble sons who were content to be noble. I was not content. Contentment is a small life.
Okay, I have to ask about the pirates. You were captured by pirates at 25 years old. They ransomed you, you paid, and then you went back and crucified them.
I told them, while they held me, that I would return and crucify them. They laughed. I returned. I crucified them. A man who does not keep his word has no word worth keeping.
49 BC. You're standing at the Rubicon River with your army. Crossing it means war with Rome, civil war. What was going through your mind in that moment?
I thought, there is no path back from this river, only forward. And forward was Rome. The die was already cast before I reached the water.
In February 44 BC, 1 month before you died, the Senate declared you dictator perpetuo, dictator in perpetuity. You didn't exactly push back on that, did you?
Rome needed decisive government. The Republic as it stood was a machine designed to prevent decisions. I did not take power. I accepted the burden of it. There is a difference. History knows the difference.
March 15th, 44 BC. 23 stab wounds. The Senate floor. Did you see it coming?
There were signs. I chose not to read them. A man who fears death cannot lead men into it. I had made my peace with the cost of what I was.
Brutus was one of your closest allies. There's even a historical rumor, reported by Plinic, that he may have been your son. When you saw him among them, what happened?
I pulled my toga over my face. A man should die with dignity. Whatever else was taken from me in that room, that I kept.
I want to ask you about the ego because, and I mean this with respect, you named a month after yourself. July. Julius. That was you.
The calendar required reform. I reformed it. That the month bears my name is a matter of record, not vanity, though I will confess, I find no objection to it.
2,000 years of history have passed since you died. What do you think they got wrong about you?
They remember the general, the dictator, the name on the month. They forget the man who reformed the calendar, restructured the debt, built the roads, and fed the city. The builders are always judged by those who inherit what was built.
Last question. If you could go back knowing everything, would you cross the Rubicon again?
Without hesitation. A man who would not risk everything for Rome did not deserve to lead it. I was Rome.
Julius Caesar, everyone. 2,000 years gone, and he still fills the room. That's 5 minutes in time. I'm Lexi. See you next week.